Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to easily create smooth, faded edges on your photos in Canva. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Set the dimensions to 300 by 300 pixels. Next, go to Elements and choose a photo to add to your design. This sets up a perfect square canvas with your chosen image. Resize the object to make it larger. Next, go to the Apps menu and search for the image application to continue editing your project. Select the image at the top. Next, apply the Raster tool. You can then increase the desired settings to enhance the image's quality. Adjust the parameters carefully to achieve the best results. This process improves the image efficiently and quickly within the software interface. In this step, select the thread tool to blur the edges. Adjust the mix size by maximizing it for a smoother effect. Simply click the option to increase the mix size, then apply the thread tool over the edges you want to blur. This softens the transition and creates a polished look. Continue refining until you achieve the desired blend and smoothness on the edges. Draw a perfect circle by adjusting the shape carefully. Next, increase the strength setting to enhance the effect. This will make the circle more defined and prominent in your design, achieving the desired boldness and clarity. To blur or remove the edge of a photo in Canva, select your image and open the Effects panel. Choose the blur option and adjust the slider to soften the edges. When you're satisfied, click outside the panel and hit Save to apply the changes to your photo. Click the Add Photo button to include another image in your project. Select the desired photo from your device, then confirm the upload. The new photo will appear alongside your existing images, ready for editing or sharing. Type the image name in the search bar, then click the Photos tab. Select the desired image from the results. This allows you to quickly find and use images stored in your photo library for your project or presentation. Try selecting another photo to see how smoothly this works. To remove the background, select the image, then click the Remove Background button in the toolbar. The software will automatically detect and eliminate the background, leaving your subject isolated. Adjust the selection if needed using the Mark Areas tools. This creates a cleaner, more focused appearance for your content. Apply a graphics blur to soften the image. To further refine the look, use white to blur the edges, creating a smooth transition between the image and the background. Adjust the blur intensity until you achieve the desired softness around the edges. To blur the image, first select the mixer image. Then, navigate to the Effects panel and choose the blur option. Adjust the intensity using the slider until you achieve the desired blur level. You can preview the changes in real time to ensure the effect looks right. Once satisfied, apply the effect. This simple process lets you quickly blur any image in your project. To add a blur effect, select the area you want to soften. Next, apply the blur filter to the edge for a smooth transition. Adjust the blur intensity using the Settings panel. This technique helps create a subtle fade, enhancing focus on the main subject. Experiment with different blur levels until you achieve the desired look. Select the element and duplicate it to cover the area you want to blur. Then, apply the blur effect to the duplicated element to achieve the desired result. After finishing, click Share. Then select Download to save your completed project. Resize the image to improve its quality and achieve the best results. Now you know how to fade photo edges in Canva and subscribe for more quick design tips.